So if you're working as an IT help desk engineer and you receive a message from your manager or maybe an email from your manager to actually block a specific user from signing into the domain environment. So we have different methods which we can actually use to do that. First of all, definitely the user has maybe a laptop or a desktop device the user used to access the enterprise environment, and the user has this logon name. So there are two options. Let's say I'm going to use Nora as an example. So let's say now you've received a mail from Kelvin Johnson as the manager or your system administrator, which of course received also that message from his director that says, okay, please stop Nora from actually accessing any resources in this domain environment. So what you want to do first of all, you want to actually disable Nora's account. And next, you want to actually go to the device of Nora to make sure that Nora does not actually log on to this environment. You want to also disable this account. So you're going to actually disable both accounts, for example, the user's account and the user's device, the device that the user used to log on to the domain. You want to disable both accounts so that you want to prevent that user from actually accessing this environment. So when this user tries to log on to this environment, he's going to receive an error message. So let's just give it a try and try to use the account of Nora Lisout to log on to this domain environment. So we're going to go to our Windows 10 device here. So I'm going to actually sign out from this device. Let's just wait for some seconds. So I'm going to sign out from this device. Let me sign out. So now let me try to log on to this Kelvglobal ICT environment as Nora Lisout. So I'm going to choose other user and I'm going to enter the account of Nora.Lisout. You can see it's telling me that I'll still be logging into this environment, and I'm going to enter Nora's password. And let's try and see what happens. I'm going to just hit enter. You can see it says your account has been disabled. Please see your system administrator. So which means that Nora will not be able to access this environment because his account has been disabled. So the only way Nora can actually access this environment is for Nora's account to be unlocked. I'm going to actually enable Nora's account back again. And now, if Nora, and mind you, this is actually C001, and here is C001 because C001 is not disabled. I only disabled the C003. So if Nora's tried to log on to C001, let's just give it a try again and see. Sometimes, oh, I made a mistake there. I made a mistake there. There's a mismatch. It says, oh, okay, now you can see that Nora was able to actually log on, but it's saying that there's a mismatch, so I'll need to enter a new password. So let me just try to enter the password, the old password, and let me enter a new password for Nora. And then I'm going to confirm the password. So you can see it says changing password, which means that Nora is able to actually log on to, your password has been changed, and now Nora can now log on to this environment without any issue because the account is not disabled anymore. So if the account is disabled, definitely she's going to receive an error message. So next, I'm going to show you how to actually delegate tasks in Windows Server. So if you are working as an IT help desk administrator, definitely this will be done for you but by your system administrator or by system engineer. You are not the one to actually delegate tasks to yourself. This will be done for you. But I'm going to show you how to do this. Should in case you come across a situation or you want to actually practice on your own just to get an idea on how to actually delegate specific tasks to IT help desk engineer or IT service desk engineer. For example, I want to actually grant the IT help desk to be able to actually reset users' password, create new users' account, disable users' account. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video.